Hi everyone, welcome to the Foundations of Economics. When we look at economics, we're looking at some basic things. When we look at economics, we're looking at needs, which are the basic necessities that a person must have in order to survive. Examples of food, water, warmth, shelter, and clothing. Wants are the desires that people have. Things that people want to have, such as a bigger home, iPhones, things like that. See, the major economic problem that we're facing is unlimited wants. We have scarce resources, which is land, labor, capital, and we have resource use. So many of these things that we look at has some type of choices involved. And the main economic problem is what goods and services should an economy produce? Should the emphasis be on agriculture, manufacturing, or services? Should it be on sport and leisure or housing? It makes it very difficult. How should goods and services be produced? Who should get these goods and services? All of these create a lot of interesting questions within economics to make us make decisions on what we think is best. Scarcity is another one. Scarcity looks at a lot of decisions that we look at. The excess of wants resulting from having limited resources and satisfying these endless wants of people.